Have you ever noticed something strange? Many people say they want to be rich, they want to invest, and they want their money to grow. But at the same time, they cannot handle a simple surprise bill. Here is the paradox. People are buying stocks while they do not even have enough cash to fix a broken phone or repair a flat tire. It is like watching someone water a plant while the pot has a big hole at the bottom. The water keeps leaking out, and the plant never grows. This simple truth is the reason most people stay stuck, even while trying their best. Today, you will learn the smart, calm, step-by-step way to invest, so that every dollar in your life finally works in the right direction. Many people think investing is the exciting part of money. They see charts going up, news about famous companies, and stories about someone who got rich from buying something at the perfect time. But behind those stories, there is something most people never see. Good investing has almost nothing to do with luck. It has almost nothing to do with buying the right thing before everybody else. Good investing is really about order. When you do things in the wrong order, you lose money fast. But when you follow the right order, even simple choices become powerful. Imagine trying to build a house. You would never start with the roof before the foundation. You would not paint the walls before the structure is safe. But many people invest exactly like this. They buy stocks while holding a mountain of high-interest debt. They jump into crypto while having no emergency savings. They put money into a taxable investment account while ignoring the free match from their employer. They move out of order, and then they wonder why their money feels so hard to manage. Let us start with the idea that comes before everything else. You need a safety net. A safety net is not exciting. It does not make you feel rich. You do not watch it grow in real time, but it protects you from the moments that destroy progress. Life is full of small emergencies. A sick pet, a broken laptop, a surprise bill, a delayed payment. If you do not have cash for these moments, you turn to your credit card, and high-interest debt grows much faster than normal investment returns. That is why many people feel like their money is running away from them. Without a safety net, the smallest problem becomes a storm. A simple first goal is to save enough to handle small surprises without fear. Even a few $100s can make life calmer. At first, this amount might feel small, but it gives you control. When you grow this safety net toward a few months of basic living costs, your stress levels drop. You stop worrying about your car breaking down. You stop thinking about every bill with panic, and you stop depending on debt to survive. This emotional safety is the true foundation of investing. Now let us talk about something many people want to ignore. High-interest debt is the biggest enemy of wealth. It grows quietly, month after month, like a shadow that follows you everywhere. Paying only the minimum keeps you trapped. The interest grows faster than average investment returns. If you try to invest while carrying expensive debt, you take one step forward and 2 steps back. It feels like running on a treadmill. You are working hard, but staying in the same place. The smart approach is simple. Focus on clearing the debt that costs the most. When you pay it off, you get a return that is guaranteed. Clearing high-interest debt is like making an amazing investment. Once that heavy weight is gone, your money becomes lighter and easier to control. Many people say they feel like they can breathe again after clearing it. That feeling alone is worth the effort. There is one important exception. If your employer offers a retirement match, take it. This is free money. It is the closest thing to magic in personal finance. When you accept this match, you get a return that no normal investment can beat. After taking the match, you can return to finishing your high-interest debt. Once the debt is under control and the match is taken, it is time to think about long-term investment accounts. The goal is not only growth, but smart growth. Many countries offer accounts that allow your money to grow with tax advantages. These accounts are powerful because taxes take a big part of your returns. When you protect your money from taxes legally, you keep more of what you earn. An individual retirement account is a simple and flexible choice. It lets you pick low-cost funds or ETFs that track the market. These choices are boring, but boring is often the secret to success. Low fees make a huge difference over time. After that, you can put more into your employer retirement account beyond the match. These accounts often allow larger contributions. Many people ignore this step because it does not feel urgent, but this is where long-term wealth grows. Slow, steady contributions create results that surprise people later. At some point, you may wonder if you should choose a traditional account or a tax-free account. The answer depends on your tax situation. If your income is low now, paying taxes today and getting tax-free money later can be a gift for your future. If your income is high, saving taxes today and paying later might be smarter. When unsure, divide your contributions for balance. There is also a special account for health expenses that gives you tax benefits when you put money in while it grows and when you take it out. If your health plan allows this, it becomes a powerful investment tool. You can save receipts from medical payments and reimburse yourself in the future. This lets the money in the account grow untouched, turning normal health expenses into long-term benefits. Once protected accounts are funded and the basics are safe, you can explore taxable investment accounts. These accounts have no limits and no rules on withdrawal. They are flexible and great for big goals like early retirement. The challenge is taxes on dividends and gains, but with long-term investments and tax-efficient funds, you can reduce taxes. Two people can invest the same amount, but the one who pays less tax grows much faster. At this stage, investing becomes simple. You do not need to time the market. You do not need to chase the next big thing. You only need to be consistent. Your safety net protects you. Your debt does not hold you back. Your tax-advantaged accounts lower your costs. Your investments grow steadily, and your future becomes clearer every year. The smart path to wealth is not secret. It is not complicated. It is not fast. It is patient. Each step supports the next one. The security you build today becomes freedom tomorrow. The habits you repeat become your strength. The calm decisions you make become the foundation for a rich life. Many people try to build wealth by running, but the people who win walk with purpose. They follow the right order. They keep things simple. They stay consistent even when it feels slow. This slow and steady path is not exciting, but it works. When you follow this journey, you build more than money. You build confidence. You build peace. You build a life where money is not a worry, but a quiet partner. You become a person who is no longer controlled by fear or confusion. You make choices from strength, not stress. Investing is not really about numbers. It is about hope. It is about believing your future can be better than your past. Every dollar you save is a message to your future self saying you deserve freedom and peace. No matter where you start, you can begin again today. Every step you take is a step toward a life where money becomes a tool, not a burden. Let your journey be slow, steady, and full of kindness toward yourself. You are building something beautiful, one simple step at a time.